welcome back to another video on my channel. So this is part 2 of 3 of the Organise with me videos. I'm going to be doing my second lot of drawers in this video. This hopefully will be a bit less chaotic. I mean, the last video wasn't really chaotic for you, not that much, because I just kept pausing when Hudson was driving me insane. But basically Hudson is down for his nap now, so it's the same day that I filmed part 1. It's just 1:30 in the afternoon now and he is down for his nap, so I'm going to use this time to do the second part of this video, maybe even the third, depending on how long he sleeps for and how much patience I've got, basically. But this time is going to be a whole lot different. Like, I've got sandwiches for my lunch, I've got a cup of a hot drink, like, you know, I've got it all. It's all nice and relaxed. So I'm hoping that this one will go a bit better and won't take me as long as well, because the last one literally took me an hour just to do those 4 drawers, and one of them didn't really need anything doing to it. So hopefully the next 5 drawers will not take me anywhere near an hour, and I will still get some of Hudson's nap time to just chill as well. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I'm going to do the same sort of like layout as I did with the last one. So I will show you the drawer, tell you what I'm going to do what I need to do on a time lapse, and then come back and show you it when it's done and tell you what I've done, basically. So that's how I'm going to do it this time as well. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so drawer number 1, as you can see, is a mess, which is why we're here. I'm just going to see if I can get a bit more light. Oh gosh, a bit more light over there. I don't know if that's made any difference, but whatever. So this is a drawer that I need to do first. This is the most important drawer because I use this most of all. I've got lots of swatch sticks here that I just never got around to actually doing, because I was going to swatch chromes, and clearly, as you can see, literally did one, and then that was that. So obviously lost the will quite early on that front. So that was a waste of time. But basically, I'm just going to get rid of all the rubbish, basically. So obviously these glitters are not rubbish. I am keeping those, but I'm just going to take them out because they don't belong in here. I'm going to take everything out that is rubbish. I don't know what is going on here. Well, I've got random swatch sticks with no labels. But there we are. Okay, so I'm just going to pull down all of the things that are in here, basically. Honestly, I don't even know where to start with this drawer. We've got some random chrome flowers there. That's very cute, but also very, very random. So I'm not sure what's happening there. So I'm just going to put the blue tack and that back in there. I'm going to take these design nails out of here because that is not where they belong. Right, so first things first, I need to sort out these because I do use these gels quite a lot. I've got 2 top coats down here. Don't even know if there's really much in those. I'm not very good at throwing stuff out. I just keep it just in case, and it's a really, really annoying habit. So they're all top coats. This down here can go there. Pull these down so we can see what we've actually got. So this needs to come out. This was the Sparkle Supplies UK Advent calendar that I clearly did not do very well at sorting out. Got a random LED light up there. Right, I'm going to do the rest of this on a time lapse now, like the rest of them, because this actually seems like it's going to be more effort than I expected. So let's just get straight into it and time lapse this. Okay, so this drawer is done. It doesn't look majorly different, but it feels different. That's the main thing, apart from that one thing there, it's got to go in there. So I've got like tools and pens and stuff in here. Gels, brushes, excess brushes, and what's it called? Swatch sticks. And then all of my display tips and all that sort of stuff there. Bo is just here because she wants my sandwich, which unfortunately for her, I am not wanting to share. So this is the next drawer. This one isn't really as bad as it seems to look, to be fair. It's not going to take very long at all. I just need to rearrange a few things. So we'll just get on with that really quick. Okay, this one definitely took a bit longer than I wanted it to because I had to clean all of the gel paints, but they're all done now, so they're much better. They're not all sticking to each other, or yeah, they're not a mess basically, so that's really good. All my Magpie pigments, not pigments, sorry, flakes, Tia's Beauty flakes, there's pigments in here, there's leaf in there, there's pigment there, pigment. All that sort of stuff is in there ready to use, so that is good as well. This drawer, I don't really have a great deal to do with this one, to be honest, apart from just take things out that I need to put where they're supposed to be, which is mainly just foils that are lying around, because again, I take them out of my folder and then don't put them back in. They're just tip refills, random tips. And things like this, like the stickers, they obviously need to go in my sticker box that I sorted out in my last video. So just when you think you've got through a phase of cleaning, you haven't, because more stuff reappears. But never mind. I'm just going to pop my tips in here, just so I can grab them quickly if I need them. Some masks in there, some scissors, they can go in that thing back. That can go in the bin, so can that, and all the rest that's lying around. And stand up. This I got sent from, what's it called, Pro Impressions. I haven't actually used it, to be honest with you, as you can see, because it is still in the packaging, but I should probably have a look into that actually. I will do that now. I found it again and remembered it's there. I'm just neatening this drawer up a bit, to be honest, and getting rid of any rubbish that can go in the bin, taking anything out that needs to be elsewhere. I don't know why I've got so many pairs of scissors, to be honest with you, but never mind. Just gonna wrap that around. I don't actually do full sets of extensions, but I do extend a nail if a client breaks one, so that's what that is all for. They're just bits that I don't use but I can't get rid of because I am basically a hoarder. Yeah, so that's that. I don't need to do this one sped up or anything because it actually isn't going to take that long overall anyway, because it's not too bad. I just need to get it all to fit. That's where we go. That was the problem. That can go back there again until I actually remember again to have a look at it. So that's that drawer done. It looks messy, but it looks a lot better than it did before. This drawer, I'm going to put all the tips in that. Oh no, I'm not, because there's quite a few in there that I didn't notice. We even got pregnancy tests in here. That is how ridiculous my drawers have got. Let me just... I don't know how that got there, actually, thinking about it. That was very random, but, you know, it is what it is. There's also socks in here, so I'm assuming that would have been the dog. Can't really blame her for the pregnancy test, though, because that one is a bit random. Put them small ones down there. That's too big to go like that, so that'll go there. That drawer is done, and then last but not least, we've got my foil drawer, which is basically the most long-winded of all. So I think with this one we'll just do a time lapse of me basically just putting the foils back in, because there is a lot under the folder as well that need to go back in there, as well as the ones I just took out of other drawers that need to go back in. So that's fun for me. So yeah, I just need to reposition you and stuff. I'm just gonna have a quick drink and a bit of a sandwich, and then we can get on with this drawer. Okay, so that is that folder complete, which means that that drawer is also done. I've got a few bits on my desk here, like glitters wise, that need to go in the drawers over there, but that is, like I said, for another day because those drawers are part 3. So that is the end of this part. So this was drawer number 1. So all looks much better, and this is the drawer that I use the most as well, hence why it's, everything there is the top drawer. And then drawer number 2. I'm so happy with how everything is looking now. Like, I feel like I'm going to finally be able to actually enjoy my job again instead of stressing. Drawer number 3, number 4, and then I actually just saw number 5 is literally just a folder. So I hope you enjoyed part 2 of this 3-part series, and I will be back very soon with part 3. I don't know how long this one's going to end up being. I think it's probably going to be a lot shorter than even the first one, and that was quite short. But yeah, it just worked out easier to do it in 3 parts than all together as one, because it's easier to find time to do 3 smaller jobs than it is to do 1 big one. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Bo also says bye. Bye.